We spend so much of our life chasing this elusive thing called money, but what even is money? Where did it come from and what purpose does it serve? I want you to imagine that there are three individuals in a village. There's a farmer, there's a shoemaker, and there's a doctor. Each serves a purpose. Each has their specialty that they're exceptional in. Now, the farmer produces food, the shoemaker produces shoes, and the doctor offers medicine and consultations to those who are unwell. Let's say, for example, one day the shoemaker needed some more food and the farmer needed a new pair of shoes. In that situation, the farmer could exchange food for shoes and there would be a fair exchange. Both parties would agree that there's something they needed and they could facilitate a fair exchange in that moment. Now, so too, if the doctor needed a new pair of shoes and the shoemaker needed some medicine, they could also have a fair exchange. And if the doctor needed some food and the farmer needed some medicine or some help from the doctor, they too could facilitate a fair exchange. But there would come a day where the shoemaker and the doctor would continue to need food, but the farmer no longer needed more medicine or a new pair of shoes. So there was a little bit of a problem. Well, this is where money was introduced. Money was introduced as something that everybody agreed on the value of to help facilitate fair exchange between people with different priority systems. So let's bring back that example where the doctor and the shoemaker needed some food, but the farmer no longer needed a new pair of shoes, nor did the farmer need more medicine. Well, the doctor and the shoemaker could offer money in exchange for food, and because everybody agreed on the value of that money in that village, then the farmer was happy to facilitate his food for the shoemaker's money and the doctor's money. And they too could facilitate fair exchange. So is money good or bad? Well, no, money is a neutral tool that helps facilitate fair exchange. Money is the most efficient way to facilitate fair exchange between people with different value systems, between people with different specialties.